Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, as Samsung plans to unveil its latest Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, this upcoming device promises to deliver premium features at a competitive price point, making advanced 5G technology more accessible. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G showcases a remarkable display setup that sets it apart in its segment. The device features a large 6.8-inch punch-hole display with an impressive 165Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming experience. The 1080 by 2700 pixel resolution guarantees crisp visuals, while Gorilla Glass protection adds durability. The screen supports 4K video playback, making it an excellent device for multimedia consumption. Powering these capabilities is a MediaTek Dimensity 1400 chipset with a 4.2 GHz OCTANE Core processor. Battery life receives a significant upgrade. The device houses a massive 7200 mAh battery, addressing the power demands of modern smartphone users. We appreciate the sophisticated camera setup, a high-resolution 200MP main camera, complemented by a 50MP ultra-wide lens and a 16MP depth sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a capable 32MP front camera. The camera system supports 4K video recording and offers up to 20x zoom capability, enabling users to capture both wide landscapes and detailed close-ups with exceptional clarity. Samsung is offering three impressive configurations: 12GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, 16GB RAM with 256GB internal storage, 24GB RAM with 512GB internal storage. The device also supports expandable storage through memory cards. It's expected to be launched either by the end of January 2025 or February 2025 as we wait for the official announcement. This device looks superb. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.